Hey, this is SpektorBaal. I am a Gothic musician, an occult influencer, and in this video we're going to be talking about attributes that can affect you while you are talking to the Infernal Divine spirit that you have called. But before we do that, consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is available. And be sure to click on that like button to let YouTube know that we exist. Also, if you found this video on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. Now, have you ever called a spirit, an infernal divine being, or even an angel, and found that you have taken their attributes, parts of their personality? I have noticed this, and I do think this is done to show you how you can be aware of yourself. If you have taken on a personality for a limited time, an attribute of a spirit, an infernal being that you are working with, I feel that it gets expanded, over-exaggerated on purpose so that you become aware of it. Sometimes things need to be extreme for us humans to know what is going on. So, by you contacting this infernal divine being, this demon, and after the ritual is closed, you feel strange a bit. You feel like the spirit has given you its attributes temporarily, and you notice that you are acting a bit strange. This is normal. When you are speaking to an infernal divine spirit, you are exchanging energies with that spirit. That is why this is happening. Now, does it work the other way around? Does the infernal divine being take our attributes? I don't think they do. Why would they? What would they gain out of it? So, next time when you are contacting the infernal divine spirit that you have or creating a relationship with, and you feel that you have taken on its attributes, it is completely normal. Enjoy it and learn from it. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you in the next video.